This is Johnnie Dynamite of the Pinkies Up Podcast, and this is the unboxing of the Jordan 32. Jordan 32 Bred that just was released on October 18th. So you can check out the box. You know, this is 32 right there. It's black with the red trim. It says with the motif of the bread. It's Jordan symbol right there on that side. You see right here, it's got the wing. And on the side here, it's got the ribbon. Let's open these up. It says 32 Roman numerals, just like all the other Jordans has a Roman numeral motif. Double wrap. Okay. Pretty cool upper. Release date on the bottom, 10/18. Flight speed, midsole, icing. It's got the ribbon, just like the box. Pretty cool. The band on the tongue. The ankle support is nice and real cushy. That's good for the hoopers. See, nice and cushy. Yeah. Mm-hmm. These are quality premium shoes, like real premium. And there's a lot of people who say they didn't like these because they're not a fan of the Air Jordan 2s, but I think these are pretty sick. The red stitching, the detail is just crazy. Okay, this is Johnnie Dynamite, and these are the Jordan 32s unboxing video. Go ahead and subscribe to this Pinkies Up Podcast channel. If you can, go ahead and swing on over to iTunes, SoundCloud, Stitcher, Radio, Google Play, and check out the Pinkies Up Podcast. We release episodes every week, sometimes twice a week. So come check us out, Pinkies Up Podcast. Hit us up at www.pinkiesuppodcast.com. You can even find us on Twitter at Podcast Pinkies, and you can even hit me, Johnnie Dynamite, at JohnnieDynamite on Twitter, or you can do at Johnnie_Dynamite at Instagram. All right, y'all. Peace.